How to add your business location on Snapchat. This tutorial shows you how to suggest your business as a place directly on Snap Map. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. From there, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left to open your profile page. After that, scroll down a bit until you find Snap Map, then tap on it. At this point, once the map opens, look for the option to suggest a place and tap it. Following this, enter your business name in the field provided. From here, use the map to pin your business location as accurately as possible. At this stage, select the business category that best fits what you offer. Following this, add any additional details you like, such as business hours, website, phone number, and photos, though these are optional. From here, review everything you've entered to make sure it's accurate. Finally, tap Submit to send it in. Snapchat will review your suggested business location and update the map once it's approved. That's how you add your business location on Snapchat. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.